हॉर्म मीन्स सेम, फॉन मीन्स साउंड. तो क्या मतलब है? सिमिलर साउंड. साउंड उनका सिमिलर होगा दो वर्ड्स का, बट उनका मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग्स कैन बी डिफरेंट. राइट? सो सपोज आई से फेयर एंड फेयर, सेम साउंड, different spellings, so they are homophones. है ना? So fair can be fair weather, pleasantly warm. Fair can be fair skin, like white skin. और fair can be मेला, मेले पे जाने को that's called fair. और ये fair, this can be किराया, charge, किराया, air fare, train fare. है ना? So what are they? They are homophones. Different meaning but similar sounds. ठीक है? या let's say bear and bear. Bear and bear. Similar sound. So to bear the difficulties means bardasht karna. To bear something. Bear the charges. या bear होता है भालू. और bear. So like bare necessities. बहुत ही insignificant. या तुच्छ. Bear. You know? या bear is to expose. You know? That is also bear. So these are homophones. On the other hand, homonyms means same name, same spelling, same sound, same name, but difference in meaning. So homonym can be if I say fair and if I say fair. यहाँ पे fair if I say fair weather, यहाँ पे if I say fair skin, है ना? तो meaning इसका अलग अलग हो गया. Fair weather, fair skin. बाकी सेम है. ठीक है? Suppose I say bat and bat. Bat animal हो गया और यहाँ पे bat like you say a cricket bat. So bat and bat. Same way bear and bear, fair and fair. So these are homonyms. Homonyms है same word which is used in different ways is homonym. Homophone is similar sounding words but having different meanings. अरे जनरली क्या होता है ये लिखा जाता है homophones and homonyms, but what is generally asked is only ये वाला पार्ट आस्क किया जाता है. ये वाले पार्ट का, क्योंकि इसमें एरर्स हो ही नहीं सकते ना. एरर आपका इसमें हो फेयर फेयर बेयर बेयर, तो जनरली आपका जो आस्क किया जाता है ये वाले वर्ड से जिसमें सिमिलर साउंड, different spelling and different meaning. They are called homophones. Are you getting? So we'll take up an exercise of homophones and homonyms and we'll see how much we know or how much we can do. Just press this on. Done? So now देखिए क्वेश्चंस कैसे इसमें. There are 4 sentences. उनमें 2 वर्ड्स यूज किए हैं which can be homophone. ठीक है, आपको बताना है उन दोनों में से कौन सा वर्ड आपके इस सेंटेंस में एप्रोप्रिएट या करेक्ट होगा. ठीक है, और फिर नीचे हमने आंसर्स देखने. सपोज आई टेक द फर्स्ट वन. आई वॉज ऑन लीव फॉर द लास्ट 3 days बिकॉज आई वॉज डाउन विद द डैश. तो ए आएगा. फ्लू, दोनों फ्लू है. ए विच मीन्स इन्फेक्शन और डिजीज, और दूसरा FLUE That flue होता है pipes which are connected to the chimney. It's a network of pipes which are connected to the chimney and which draw the exhaust gases out. उसको कहते हैं flue. Those networks of pipes are called flue. अच्छा, next one, we tried in dash to persuade him to change his decision. Second में क्या है? पहला वाला in vain. VAIN means without any use. Without any use. So that is in vain. Or vein. Vein is a very narrow tube. Is called a vein. जैसे blood veins जो होते हैं वो भी narrow tube होता है. Narrow tube को हम कहते हैं vein. That is called a narrow tube. तो यहाँ पे आएगा in vain. अच्छा, इसके बाद as the economy is in deep recession, it is prudent to dash back public spending. तो B, correct, very nice. Rein back, REIN. Rein होती है लगाम, जैसे घोड़े की या डोंकी की जो लगाम होती है, that's called rein. तो rein से क्या करते हैं? Rein से उसको कंट्रोल करते हैं. तो rein back का मतलब है to control public spending. Rein back is control, REIN. So इसका B. और अगर REIGN कहे तो that is a period of rule. जैसे during Ashoka's reign, during Akbar's reign. Are you getting? So this is REIN. अच्छा, the local police and the army personnel are trying to dash communal tension in this. No. A. Defuse. Fuse होता है जोड़ना. Defuse होता है तार को काटना. जब तार जोड़ेंगे तो एक्सप्लोजन होगा. एक्सप्लोजन को खत्म करने के लिए क्या बॉम्ब का तार काटते हैं? दैट इज डिफ्यूजिंग द बॉम्ब. आर यू गेटिंग? तो वैसे किसी एक्सप्लोसिव सिचुएशन को शांत करना कि वो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल ना हो जाए, उसको भी कहते हैं डिफ्यूज. यानी कि वो एक्सप्लोड नहीं होगा. एक्सप्लोजन का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? दैट द सिचुएशन बिकम्स वायलेंट, गोज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. समझ आ रहा है? तो दैट इज DEFUSC. और जो दूसरा DIFFUSC है, दैट मीन्स टू स्प्रेड. जैसे हमने बचपन में पढ़ा है डिफ्यूजन ऑफ गैसेस. व्हाट हैव वी रेड? डिफ्यूजन ऑफ गैसेस. गैसेस डिफ्यूज, दे स्प्रेड. People diffused in all directions when police started लाठी चार्जिंग. So diffused. So आंसर क्या बना अब आपका? तो देखिए, पहले में A, दूसरे में A, तीसरे में B और चौथे में A. So AABA, which is number B. Number B becomes the answer. So likewise, let's go to next one. As it was a dash and breezy day, we decided to go for a long walk in the woods. So answer क्या आएगा? A fair and breezy day. FAIR. Fair means very pleasant or pleasantly warm. And FARE तो किराया अभी बताया. So यहाँ पे B आए. The farmers suffered huge losses. Hey, take your handouts. I forgot, but you should at least आप इनको दे दीजिए handouts. Yeah. Do I have one more? Let's check. So where are we? Yeah, the farmers suffered huge losses this year when the floods dash havoc on the crops. A. Wrecked. Wreck havoc का मतलब है to cause extensive damage. To cause extensive damage and destruction. That is wreck. WREAKED. Wrecked. और दूसरा वर्ड जो है wreaked. REEKED. Reek. Reek का मतलब होता है an unpleasant smell. An unpleasant, rotten smell. जैसे हम कहेंगे, this place reeks of fish. So reeks of fish means there's this unpleasant, rotten smell. You got it? That is reek. The next one, the prolonged dash does not bode well for the economy. So drought, DROUGHT means sukha. And DR AUGST, drought. That means a cool air that is trapped in an enclosed space. जैसे बाहर की हवा धूप डायरेक्टली उसको गर्म करती है, लेकिन अगर किसी टनल में है, किसी रूम में जो हवा होती है, जो विंड होती है, दैट्स कॉल्ड ड्रॉट. DRAUGST. ठीक है. कैन यू जस्ट डू वन थिंग? इनको बोलिए 2-4 शीट्स और निकालिए इसके, यहीं से बता दीजिए. हाँ, अभी और कोई आएगा तो इन्होंने कम शीट्स निकाले, वहीं से. यहां से खुलेगा क्या दरवाजा? यू कैन टेल देम फ्रॉम देयर. नोबडी इज देयर. हाँ, उनको बताइए ये होमोफोन्स के और शीट्स दे दीजिए. ठीक है, दैट इज DRAUGST. सो यहाँ पे क्या है? DROUGST. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, द एंटीक फर्नीचर परफेक्टली डैश द विंटेज लुक ऑफ द मैनर. तो कौन सा वाला आएगा? बी, कॉम्प्लीमेंट. आई थिंक आई टोल्ड यू दिस. कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब है टू ब्रिंग समथिंग टू परफेक्शन, टू ब्रिंग समथिंग टू कंप्लीशन. जैसे कोई कपल है, उसमें टू ऑफ यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर, आप एक दूसरे को कंप्लीट बना रहे. तो वैसे ही द एंटीक फर्नीचर परफेक्टली कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड द विंटेज, यानी कि विंटेज लुक को वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट बना रहा है, कंप्लीट कर रहा है. और पहला वाला कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज टू प्रेज और अप्रिशिएट. ही वाज कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड ऑन हिज ब्रिलियंट सक्सेस. सो आंसर यहां पे इसका बी आया. तो अब क्या बना? सो वन इज बी, second is A, third is A, B, A, and B. That is answer D, delta. D delta is the answer. Now next one. The whole incident is shrouded by a dash of secrecy. तो क्या आएगा? Veil. That is VEIL, A, which means covering. और जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं पर्दा. You know? That is VEIL. And VALE, that is a small valley. Valley is a plain area which is surrounded by hills or mountains on all sides. That is called valley. So here it will be wheel. The driver lost control and rammed into a dash vehicle. So answer is A, stationary. ARY. ARY होता है एक जगह. हाँ, ARY. और ERY जहां पे आएगा वो होता है articles of writing. जैसे पेपर, पेंसिल, इरेजर, नोटबुक, उसको कहते हैं स्टेशनरी, स्टेशनरी शॉप. तो यहां पे क्या आएगा? स्टेशनरी, ARY. फर्स्ट डैश द एप्पल्स एंड डाइस देम बिफोर कोटिंग देम विद क्रीम. तो पेयर, PARE. पेयर का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पेयर? PARE. दैट इज टू पील. ऊपर का छिलका या कवरिंग उठाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड पेयर द एप्पल्स. और डाइस होता है उसके छोटे छोटे टुकड़े करना. cut them to pieces is dice them. So PARE, pair. दूसरा पेयर तो पता ही है, that is come in. दूसरा पेयर is PAIR, that is 2. A pair of spectacles, pair of shoes. Next one. The people heaved a sigh of relief when the police nabbed the serial killer, which is B. Serial killer is B, who killed several people in the city. अब क्या बना? A and B, which is answer is A. Option A. You got it? Okay. Next one. Number 4. Every year, the nation pays homage to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives at the dash of freedom. At the altar, ALTAR. At the altar of freedom का मतलब है, it's a structure. At the altar of something का मतलब है that something is worth sacrificing for. When you say at the altar of freedom, that means that freedom is worth sacrificing for. That we call at the altar of freedom. That freedom is worth, you can write it down. That altar of freedom means freedom is worth sacrificing for. और ALTER होता है to modify or change. He altered his plans. The dress needs some alterations. So to modification or change is alter. Then next one. When she tries to provoke you, stay composed and don't rise to the dash. No. A. BAIT क्या होता है? What is bait? BAIT. We put the bait in the mouse trap. We put the bait on a fishing net. That means so that the animal gets attracted to that food and gets trapped. So bait is nothing but a way to trap someone, to trap the animal. Something kept to trap someone. So to जो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है to rise to the bait means get trapped. B-I-T bait means trap. So get trapped. Rise to the bait is get trapped. और B-A-T-E bait, bait और abate दोनों. Bait और abate का मतलब है reduction, to reduce in intensity or severity. So we've got this bait or abate. Abatement of rain, abatement of violence. Baiting means going down, reducing, declining. So abate या bait दोनों का मतलब है going down. Is that understood? तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? B-A-I-T. Now, the veteran actress has been dashed by the media as one of the greatest actresses Indian cinema has ever produced. So hailed, H-A-I-L. Hail का मतलब है praised, honored, hailed. अब hail also means hailstorm. Ole padna, that's also hail. Where do you hail from? Is also H-A-I-L. Hail from, what is your original place of birth? And he hailed a cab, he hailed a taxi, he hailed a bus to get into the cab for a ride. So that is also H-A-I-L. सब H-A-I-L है. अब H-A-L ही कहाँ पे use करते हैं? We use it in only in one situation, hail and hearty. Hail and hearty. Especially if used for old people who are in their best health. But when they are old and still having a good health, then we call hail and hearty. Hail actually means in good health. Hail means in good health. Okay, so that is the meaning here. Now, it would be prudent to make a few dash inquiries before investing the money in the venture. So discreet, careful, cautious, C-R-E-E-T. And C-R-E-T-E, unconnected, separate, different, dissimilar. So अब answer क्या बना? The first one is B, second one is A, B, A, third one is A, B, A, and fourth one is A. So it has to be B, B as in beta, B, A, B as in beta. Now next one. The rain was dashed down, showing no signs of letting up in the near future. So teeming down, which is T-E-E-M. So when you say T-E-E-M, that means abundance, full of. जैसे the lake is teeming with fish. It's teeming with fish. So T-E-M, teeming with something, means in abundance, in full. So when you say teeming down, that means coming down abundantly. बहुत ज़्यादा quantity में. So that is teeming down. When you say T-E-A-M-I-N-G, teeming means forming a team. They are teaming up, means they are forming a group, forming a team. That is T-E-A-M. Answer is B here. Now, acting on an anonymous tip-off. Tip-off is the information that is given to the police by some informers about thieves, smugglers. That is called tip-off. Tip-off, the police raided the premises and discovered a dash of arms. A cache. Cache means a hidden supply of something which is hidden or concealed and in large numbers or quantity. That is called, especially used for something negative. A cache of drugs, a cache of fake currency notes, a cache of arms and ammunition. You understand? That is called cache. Or in computers, you have a cache memory, which is like the hidden memory. That is C-A-C-H-E. Or C-A-S-H, that everybody knows what cache is. Okay, next one. It is repulsive to see people dash over those in power, which is B, fawn over. So it's a phrasal verb. Fawn over. Fawn over का मतलब है flatter. किसी की बेवजह तारीफ करना, flatter करना, चापलूसी करना, that is called fawn over. उसको कहते हैं FAWN over, fawn over. And FAUN, fawn over नहीं होता है, FAUN, word जो है FAUN. It's a deity. A deity होता है कोई God अवतार, in Roman mythology, जो आधा ह्यूमन है और आधा गोट है, मतलब सर उसका ह्यूमन का है और जो बॉडी उसकी गोट की है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड फॉन. FAUN. तो फॉनिंग नहीं होता, फॉन इज अ रोमन डेटी. FAUN. हाँ. So that is FAUN. Okay, next one. Dashed by her performance in recent mock tests, Nisha was confident that she would be able to crack. So buoyancy क्या है? The force that lifts the bodies and makes them light and lifts. तो buoyed up का मतलब है, raised in spirits, lifted, encouraged, motivated. That is buoyed up. You understand? So buoyed up या buoyed by her performance means encouraged or motivated. BOYED, buoyed नहीं होता. Buoyed can be used like getting the characteristics of boys. So somebody was buoyed in certain respects is having the characteristics or features of boys. That is called, BOYED. So what is your answer? The rain was teeming. So first one is B. First is B. Second is A. So BA. Third is B. BAB. And fourth is so Baba. BABA, which is D delta. D delta. Next one. A group of 3 children playing on the beach were swept away by the strong current. Water current ho, electric current ho, current time ho is ENT. CURRENT. CURRANT एक ही जगह पे यूज होता है. ब्लैक करंट आइसक्रीम और ब्लैक करंट केक. अ डेजर्ट. वो करंट कहां से आया? ड्राइड अप ब्लैक ग्रेप्स. इट इज मेड फ्रॉम ड्राइड ब्लैक ग्रेप्स. उससे बनता है ब्लैक करंट. सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ डेजर्ट एज एन आइसक्रीम और एज अ केक और सम काइंड ऑफ पेस्ट्री. So that is CURRANT. So what is the answer here? ENT, B. Now, the chef was prepared to take the dash for spoiling the dish, although it was his juniors who were responsible for the fiasco. Fiasco means failure or mistake. So to take the rap. So you have got the idiom as take the rap is to take blame. Take the rap means take blame. अपने सर इल्जाम लेना. That is called take the rap. Do you get that? And wrap, WRAP, wrap it up. To wrap means cover it in something. हो गया wrap, WRAP. That part is clear? To take the rap is to take the blame. The amusement park dash admission charges for children once. Yeah. So waves होता है free कर देना. कोई charges नहीं लेना. Or WAVES, waves like ocean waves or any other waves. So answer is A. CID officials were dashed over the papers recovered from the scene of crime. So phrasal verb is to pour over. Pour over का मतलब है to study attentively and concentratingly. किसी चीज को बहुत ध्यान से स्टडी करना attentively or concentratingly, that is called pour over. Students pour over their textbooks before the exams. They pour over their textbooks before the exams. They study attentively and concentratingly. That is, he poured over the papers. And pour, P-O-U-R, that is to, pour something from one tumbler, one utensil into the other utensil. Pour the tea, pour the milk. So that is POUR. So answer becomes B, A, B, A, and A. So D delta. D delta is the answer. Next one. When the situation was turning out of control, the police used water dash to disperse the crowd. The answer is B, double N. ध्यान से रुको, ध्यान दे, डबल एन, CANNON, कैनन. कैनन होता है जैसे इसको तोपखाना भी कहते हैं, आर्टिलरी, जिससे फोर्स से एक एक्सप्लोजिव निकलता है. वैसे ही वाटर कैनन इज वाटर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द नोजल विथ एक्सट्रीम फोर्स. तो समथिंग कमिंग आउट विथ एक्सट्रीम फोर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड कैनन. CANNON, कैनन. ठीक है, वाटर कैनन्स. एंड CANON, canons of English language, canons of justice. So canons are rules, laws, principles. So canons of English grammar, canons of justice. You see? So that is rules, laws or principles. So यहाँ पे क्या आया? B. Both the combatants were grievously injured in the duel. Yes, that is DUEL. Duel is a fight between two people. So fight between two people over land, property, kingdom, किसी के ऊपर भी, that's called a duel. पुराने जमाने में होता था जैसे, तो DUAL, duel. Duel means two, like dual sim, dual job. So DUA. It was quite an effort to dash out the water from the boat. So bail out, BAIL, bail out का मतलब होता है to remove water means bail out. And BALE, bail होता है गठरी, जैसे a bale of papers, a bale of newspapers, a bale of hay क्या होता है? Dried up grass. हमने गठरी बनाई घास की, तो that collective noun is called bail. A bail. Next one, the legislation will not be passed without the dash of the Prime Minister. Assent, ASSENT, assent means agreement, consent, that is assent. And ASCENT, assent means to go up, ascent of the plane, ascent of the bird. So the answer becomes, so first one is, B, first one is B, BA, BAB, and again A, BA, which is A, option A. Next one, the Bandra Worli Sea Link in Mumbai is a brilliant dash of engineering. A, feat. Feat means something that requires a lot of skill and expertise. Feat of engineering is something that requires a lot of skill and expertise. And FEAT, feat, can be either a unit of length or it can be just हमारे पैर, उनको भी हम feat कहते हैं. Next one, he was unanimously elected for the post on the basis, BASIS. Basis means ground. So B, basis would be the plural of base, base of the triangle, base of the building, and uska plural is basis. So it is B, on the grounds of his qualification and experience, which is B. The police caught up with a dreaded criminal when he was trying to flee. Flee is A. Flee means escape, A. Or flea as in B is a small bug or a parasite which sucks blood, and jumps. Small parasite or bug. So that is flee. I didn't want to dash close to the wind. So sail close to the wind. This is an idiom. Sail close to the wind means to put yourself in a risky situation, in a dangerous situation. That is to sail close to the wind. To put oneself in a dangerous situation or risky situation. And SALE, sail means selling something. So what is the answer? पहले क्या आया? A, B, A, and A, which is C. C is the answer. Next one. After 3 years of courtship, John and Martha finally decided to walk down the A, which is aisle. दोनों का pronunciation is aisle. So what is the first one? Walk down the aisle. कौन सा? This is aisle. You see? This place to walk between the seatings is called aisle. You go to a cinema hall, you go to a conference hall, you go to a church, वहाँ पे aisle होता है seating के बीच में. You go to an aeroplane, you have the window seat and you have the aisle seat. So that's called. So walk down the aisle. Church में जब शादी हो गई, तो then the bride and the groom walk down the aisle. From higher platform, they walk down the aisle. The walk down the aisle का other मतलब is to get married. Walk down the aisle means to get married. Is it understood? So that is AISLE. Okay, and ISLE is a small island. Isle means a small island. Next one. His impeccable manners and his refined sense of dressing gave him an dash of dignity and elegance. Okay, air means that aura, that atmosphere in a contextual sense. Air का मतलब एक तो air है, मतलब हवा, इसमें nitrogen, oxygen सब है. वो तो physical aspect है, लेकिन contextual aspect में air means that personality, that aura. So that air of dignity and elegance. And air, H is silent, air. Air means, what do you call it? The varis जिसको कहते हैं, varis, who gets everything from from somebody, जैसे ancestors से जो इसको सब कुछ मिलता है, तो वारिस को नहीं, this person is the varis means he gets everything from ancestry. That is heir. Or जैसे the heir to the throne, the prince is the heir to the throne, so he'll get the throne. So that is heir. Next one, you need to dash this delicate topic with her using a lot of diplomacy, which is a broach. Broach means to start a very difficult topic, start discussing a very controversial or difficult topic. He finally gathered courage to broach the topic of salary hike with his boss. To broach the salary hike is a very controversial topic to discuss with a boss. So you broach that topic means start discussing some controversial or difficult topic. And brooch is a decorative pin or clasp, jo usually small girls they put on their dresses. You know, a metallic pin, some decorative pin, or even when like in schools, we used to wear blazers and then we had that metallic emblem of the school. That's also called brooch. You understand? So here answer is A. Even the gourmet spread on the table could not tickle his dash. Gourmet के दो meaning है. Gourmet can be a lot of delectable delicacies, lot of delectable variety of delectable food can be gourmet, or a gourmet can be a person who is very knowledgeable in food and wine. इसको बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge किसकी है? Food और wine की. That person is also a gourmet. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे gourmet refers to selection of delicacy or very mouth-watering food. So gourmet could not tickle his dash, which is P-A-L-A-T, palate. So palate refers to the taste. Palate refers to with the upper palate and the lower palate. It's like we have taste buds. So it refers to the sense of taste, the sense of taste. And palate, P-A-L-E-T-T, that is that platform on which colors are depression वाला platform नहीं होता जिसमें watercolors mix करते हैं, जैसे प्लास्टिक का होता है, वुडन का होता है, that is called palette. जिसके आर्टिस्ट जो है watercolors mix करते हैं, that is called palette. So what is the answer? D I answer? Okay. Let's move on. So in spite of dash my brains hard, I could not recollect her name. Okay, no. It'll be A. Racking my brains. R-A-C-K-I-N-G. Racking. To rack the brains means बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना, बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग पे जोर डालना. That is to rack the brains. In spite of racking my brains hard, I could not. W-R-A-C-K-I-N-G. Racking or wrecking. Wreck or rack means to damage or spoil something or destroy something. You know, the rains racked our plans. They spoiled our plans. You know, the small mischievous kid racks everything that he puts his hand on. So racks everything, damages everything. Are you getting my point? So answer is A, rack my brains. Cheesecake topped with honey and nuts was served for dessert. S-S-E-R-T is the sweet dish after food. That is S-S-E-R-T, dessert. And D-E-S-E-R-T, desert होता है, एक होता है रेगिस्तान, the desert. There's a Thar desert. और दूसरा होता है to desert someone या something. छोड़ देना, permanently leave करना, abandon करना. The captain and the crew deserted the ship after it caught fire. Means abandoned. It's a deserted island. Nobody lives there. It is deserted, empty, abandoned. So that is also desert. D-E-S-E-R. He dashed a few verses from Bhagavad Gita. So he cited. Cited means to take some information from other source. It's not your own doing or own creation, but you take that information from some other source and include it in your speech or writing. That is called citations. आप देखो कोई भी article होगा उसके नीचे लिखा होता है citations. Citations मतलब he has used these sources to take information from. Use other sources to take information from. That is cite. And SIT is site. You know, site का मतलब है location. A construction site. That is called located or location. If I had been in your place, I would have seized the opportunity. Seized का मतलब है grabbed, है ना, पकड़ ली होती opportunity. And C-E-S-E means to stop. So what is the answer? D delta? Yes. Now we've got these words. You have to give the correct spellings from the choices. I think there are some misprints also here, but we'll check that out. So absence, A, B, S, E, and C, B, correct. Accelerate, A, correct. Next one, ballot, B-A-L-L-O-T, which is no error. This is already correct. Next one, bulletin, B-U-L-L-E-T-I-N, bulletin is no error. Next one, civilization, C, civilization is C. Committee, A is correct. Okay, next one, इसमें double M, double T आता है, अच्छा. This is pronounced as dilapidated. Dilapidated हो गया in a very bad shape. Like टूटे हुए वो dilapidated building, dilapidated structure, कभी भी गिर सकता है. So D-I-L-A, P-I-D-A-T-E-D, which is B beta. Then executive, C, correct. Then next one. No error. Freight train, जिसमें सामान carry करते हैं, load carry करते, that's called freight. Okay, gangrene, yes, that is gangrene. Ganga नहीं होता, gangrene, which is like an infection. So bacterial or infection on the skin. Next one. What is your answer? Hindrance. Hindrance is C. Idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy. I-D-I-O, sin, S-Y-N, C-R-A-S-Y. The answer is no error. Idiosyncrasy means peculiarity. Idiosyncrasy means एक peculiar सा habit किसी का, मतलब जो बाकियों में नहीं होता, कोई ऐसा peculiarity, personal peculiarity. जैसे होता है ना, कुछ ऐसे idiosyncrasies होते हैं. किसी की idiosyncrasy है, एक habit होती है, बाद में कहेगा, ऐसा कोई word कहेगा, yes, या कोई कहेगा, ऐसे कुछ पर्टिकुलर, या किसी की होती है ऐसे, कोई ऐसे कुछ ऐसे करता है, ऐसे ये करेगा, कोई ताली बजाएगा, कुछ ऐसा जो peculiar सी हैबिट है उस पर्सन में, किसी भी तरह की peculiar, which is not generally present in others. That is called idiosyncrasy. Even infection, these allergies are called idiosyncrasies. किसी को egg से एलर्जी है, जैसे egg idiosyncrasy, एक peculiar. हाँ, नहीं, OCD तो वो तो ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव, वो तो अलग है, वो नहीं. Idiosyncrasies कोई भी नॉर्मल डे टू डे हैबिट हो सकती. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. इसको लिeutenant भी कहते हैं, लेफ्टिनेंट भी कहते हैं. सो विच इज सी. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. मैग्निफिसेंट, करेक्ट, ए. द नेक्स्ट वन. नटोरिटी, नो एरर. No, notoriety, R-E-I-T-Y या notoriety. I think B होना चाहिए इसका. Just check इसकी spelling आप check कर लेना. Notoriety, R-E-I-T-Y होना चाहिए. Notoriety means being infamous, notorious. Opportunity, yeah, it's actually opor लिखा होता है, लेकिन इसको pronounce करते हैं opor. Opportunity is C. Then parliament, P-A-R-L-I-A, parliament, M-E-N-T. Next one. Reservoir is A. Pronunciation ठीक है तो एकदम से पता चल जाता है. Then siege, I think it's no error. S-I-E-G-E. देख लो, चेक करो किसका. notoriety no error है, आपने चेक किया, ठीक है, then it has to be no error. But siege का S-I-E होना चाहिए, S-I-E होना चाहिए. Siege is not S-E-I, S-I-E, it's no error. Tournament, T-O-U-R-N-A-M-E-N-T, T-O-U-R-N-A, no error आएगा ना, M-E-N-T, C में तो M-A-N-T, M-E-N-T आएगा. So generally आपका double single का मेन होता है या फिर silent words का. Can you spell Can you tell me what is the spelling of millennium? Millennium. आई कहाँ से आया? मिले.
MILLEI.
ये इसमें प्रॉब्लम होती है. NN. Accommodation. इसमें इसमें यहाँ पे आपने ध्यान रखना है. यू गेट माय पॉइंट. जैसे निमोनिया, तो PNE NMO PNEMO निमोनिया NI इस तरह से. साइकेट्री, ये सारे वर्ड्स आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट वन. सो यहाँ पे भी आपके ऐसे ही है. यू गॉट दीज वर्ड्स दैट वी हैव टू डू. चलिए. सो फर्स्ट वन क्या आएगा? द मिनिस्टर who was arrested for his alleged involvement in a scam was denied A. Bail. So bail is also bailout to kaag remove, but bail is also that BAIL bail. Which BAIL bail is जो इनको prisoners को मिलती है, giving some guarantee and money paid, that is also called bail. और BALE bail, as I told you, it's a collective noun. जैसे it's a guttery है, that is called bail of papers or bail of face. So यहाँ पे क्या आया? A. Emperor Ashok dash his kingdom after the Kalinga war. क्या आना चाहिए? A. Abjured. Abjured का मतलब है renounce, to leave, to give up. तो abjured. और adjure का मतलब, adjure होता है, नहीं, adjure का मतलब होता है to entrust someone with some responsibility or task. Adjure means किसी को to command someone with some task or responsibility under promise, under some promise. That's a the captain adjured the task of delivering the message to his soldier. So adjured means commanded, gave him that task, responsibility देना किसी को, that is adjured. Okay, next one. I dash avoid taking public transport during peak hours. Purposely means deliberately. Purposely means deliberately. And purposeful means having some aim or purpose. It's a purposeful task. Having some defined aim or purpose. That is purposeful. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Purposely. The chief minister made an aerial survey of the flood dash districts. Ravished means destroyed, damaged. And ravish होता है किसी को attract करना. No, the ravishing beauty of the place. So very enthralling, attracting. No, ravishing. So ravish is to attract someone. So answer क्या बना? A, B आया? Okay, next one. Rebecca looked stunning in her long dash evening gown. It has to be sumptuous. Sumptuous means rich, extravagant, lavish. You know, बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब it must have been very costly and rich and extravagant gown is sumptuous. And scrumptious is only used for food. So scrumptious means very delicious, very, like tasty is scrumptious. That is for food only. So answer is sumptuous. The politician's tour to the remote villages and interactions with the slum dwellers was a dash attempt to win votes from the masses. Was a blatant attempt. Blatant होता something which is bad, offensive, but done openly. जैसे blatant violation of traffic rules, which is bad, but people are openly doing it without fear. That is blatant. It's a blatant lie. सामने झूठ बोल रहे हो और एकदम openly झूठ बोल रहे हो. या blatant aggression of Ukraine by Russia. Openly, without any fear. Something offensive, bad, harmful, but done openly. That is blatant. And flagrant होता है something very bad, something very harmful. The only difference is blatant is something harmful and bad, but done openly, without any qualms, without any fears. So यहाँ पे blatant attempt, मतलब kind of shamefully done. It's shameful that it is done so openly. That is blatant. कौन सा blatant? जब ये कह रहा है कि was a win votes from the masses, interaction with the slum dwellers, कि वोटिंग के टाइम पे ही स्लम ड्वेलर्स के पास गए और उनको जो मतलब बात की, ये किया वो किया, पूरे बाकी साल में कभी नहीं गए, तो इसी टाइम पे जाना और वो कहना हम आपके साथ है, तो क्या दिख रहा है? इट्स एन ओपन अटेम्प्ट, सामने दिख रहा है इलेक्शन आगे है, कल इलेक्शन है, आज वो स्लम ड्वेलर्स के पास गए, तो क्या है? इट्स एन ओपन अटेम्प्ट टू विन. उनको कोई सिंपैथी नहीं है स्लम ड्वेलर्स के साथ, हाँ वो तो उनका, बट ये जो दिख रहा है वो बाद में they have their own. So that is what it is. A penalty of 10,000 was imposed upon him for flouting. Flouting means disregarding, violating, disobeying. And flaunting means showing off. Flaunt hota hai show off karna. Everybody knows that. Both the young and the old were greatly dashed by the clown's antic. तो clown क्या करेगा? Amuse करेगा, entertain करेगा. Bemuse होता है confuse होना. This mathematical problem bemused so many students. Bemused means puzzled, confused. Something which is difficult to understand and solve. That is bemused. Now you can write down the options. Kya answer? Rice. Next one. Even the aroma of the delectable. Delectable means very delicious. Food could not dash or badly impaired appetite. Impaired means harmed. So WHET, wet. WHET, wet means sharpened. जैसे हम कहेंगे the knife has become blunt. Why don't you wet it? Wet it का मतलब होगा इसको sharp बनाओ, उसके edges को sharp करो. तो could not sharpen her badly impaired appetite. तो wet का मतलब यहाँ पे है, sharpen का मतलब क्या है? Stimulate. To stimulate. To kind of give that, what you call, stimulation को क्या कहते हैं हम? Stimulus. To give that stimulus. That is wet. And WT wet का मतलब क्या है? गीला. That everybody knows. After a dash sleep, I felt relaxed and rejuvenated the next morning. After a restful. Restful means very peaceful, full of rest. And restive means anxious, worrying. The students were restive when they heard that their results are going to be announced the next day. The students were restive. They became worried and anxious because obviously about the results. So restive. So restive means being anxious and worrying. The municipal authorities dash several legal constructions to the ground. So razed, R-A-Z-E-D, razed matlab demolished. And razed, this next raise you know. Our holiday plans were ruined by adverse or averse weather conditions. Adverse. Adverse means inclement, unfavorable, harsh, or harmful. Extreme. Adverse can be extreme weather conditions. And averse का मतलब है dislikable, hateful. Some children are averse to drinking milk. So aversion for something, that means dislike for something. Now you can write your answers. Have you written? Chale, next one. Prince Siddhartha renounced his princely life and turned into a dash. क्या आएगा? Ascetic. Yes. तो B क्या है? What is that? क्या बना वो? सेल्फ डिनाइल मतलब बना क्या? साधु. साधु संत, छोड़ दिया, लाइफ छोड़ दिया, हर्मिट, सेंट, साधु, दैट इज ascetic. और ascetic, ACETIC, ascetic refers to acid. अगर आपने केमिस्ट्री पढ़ी हो तो ascetic group is the acidic group. Ascetic refers to acidic. So acidic is related to something bitter, something sharp is ascetic. There was a dash improvement in Ram's health over the past few weeks. So there was a noticeable improvement. Noticeable का मतलब है जो दिख रहा है, evident, obvious, सामने दिख रहा है. And notable means very famous. Someone who is reputed and famous and known for something that he or she has done. Jaiसे APJ Abdul Kalam was a notable scientist and a notable president, a notable, Nobel laureate. So notable is who is famous and who has achieved something. Okay, physical exercise and consumption of dash food is essential
फॉर कीपिंग वन सेल्फ फिट, क्या आना चाहिए?
ओके, अब आपका मैं थोड़ा दूर करूं. आंसर इज बी. अब याद रखना, कभी भी हेल्दी फूड नहीं कहते. हेल्दी पर्सन होता है, हेल्दी एनिमल होता है, बट जो खाना आपको न्यूट्रिशन दे उसको कहते हैं हेल्थफुल फूड. याद रखना इसको. ये हर कोई गलत यूज करता है, हर कोई. बट एक्चुअल इंग्लिश में, so food is what? Physical exercise consists of healthful food. Food that gives you nutrition. Good nutrition is healthful food. Full of nutrition. And healthy can be, he's very healthy. There's a healthy tiger, healthy animal, healthy dog, or a healthy human. Don't say healthy food. Next one. He dash a strong desire to be reconciled with his estranged wife. So he यहाँ पे आना चाहिए evinced. He evinced a strong desire. Evinced का मतलब है to voice out. बाहर निकालना, कोई आपके मन के अंदर जो बात है उसको बोलना, उसको जाहिर करना, एक्सप्रेस करना. दैट इज evinced. इवोक होता है कोई जो पीछे छुपी हुई चीज है वो आगे आना. जैसे दिस सॉन्ग इवोक्स माई चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज, या पॉलिटिशियन स्पीच इवोक्ड एन एंग्री रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द क्राउड. सो कोई चीज जो छिपा हुआ है वो बाहर लाना. इवेंट्स होता है आपकी कोई डिजायर है जो आप जाहिर कर रहे हो, कुछ आप जो एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे वर्ड आएगा इवेंट्स. अब देखिए आपका आंसर क्या बना. तो आपका आंसर एस्थेटिक बी. देयर वाज अ नोटिसेबल बी बी बी. सो बी 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 ए, बी 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 ए. ये वर्ड समझ आ रहे हैं सबको? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. Women in most Indian villages have to walk for long distances to fetch a pot of potable, P-O-T-A-B-L-E. Potable means drinkable. So water which is drinkable is potable, or food which is eatable is called edible. Edible. ठीक है? और portable is what can be easily transported. A portable music system. You know, a portable, what do you call that? Water cooler. A portable AC also you have nowadays. So portable is what can be easily carried. We were all set to go for a picnic in the woods, but the unseasonal rains caught us dash throwing cold water on our plans. Caught us unawares. To catch somebody unawares means कोई चीज suddenly or unexpectedly हो जानी. To catch someone unawares means something happens suddenly and unexpectedly. ठीक है? And unaware means not having knowledge of. I am unaware of all the developments. I don't have knowledge. So that is not having that awareness. That is unaware. So answer is unawares. Unawares. Next one. Most corporate hospitals offer dash care to patients who are critically ill. So which is intensive care. Intensive का मतलब है हॉस्पिटल के अंदर ही आपको पूरा केयर मिल जाता है. Intensive means किसी चीज के अंदर इज इंटेंसिव. और एक्सटेंसिव मीन्स बहुत फैला हुआ आउटर एरिया में, उसमें इनर एरिया नहीं आता. एक्सटेंसिव का मतलब है यू नो एक्सटेंसिव कवरेज, एक्सटेंसिव वर्क डन in the field of something. So extensive work done is not limited to some particular area, but engaged on a broader scale or a wider scale. That is extensive. समझ आ रहा है दोनों का मतलब? इंटेंसिव होता है किसी के अंदर ही, तो हॉस्पिटल के अंदर ही आपको पूरा केयर मिल रहा है, तो इंटेंसिव केयर हो. एक्सटेंसिव हो गया बाहर और बहुत बड़े स्केल. ओके, then our dash incomes are barely sufficient to beat the rising inflation. So answer is exiguous. Exiguous means very small, little, scanty. And exigent का मतलब है urgent. Exigent means something. It's an exigent issue or exigency. That means urgency. कि जिसका delay नहीं कर सकते. That needs to be acted upon fast. That is called exigent. Okay, so answer becomes B. So answer is B. Next one. The dash lace curtains enhance the summery look of the room. So share, SH EER, B. Sheer is like very thin, translucent material का जो बनता है. जैसे summer curtains होते हैं translucent material के, they're called sheer, SHEER. And SHEAR, sheer. Sheer means to shear the sheep. उनका wool निकालना. To shear some sheep or some animal. उनका ऊपर का wool निकालना, that is called shearing. So here answer is B. The black dash cake served. So CURRANT, currant, which is like from dried black grapes, and currant, baki you know. As a child, John had always been no, prone to infections means sickly. Sickly का मतलब है who gets infections again and again. जिसका immune system weak है और वो बार बार बीमार होता है. That person is sickly. That person is not having a strong immune system. And sick means already बीमार. Somebody is sick. Can be physically sick, can be mentally sick. क्या नहीं? So that is sickly. And so यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Sickly. The remains of the old palace were dashed in a matter of days. Obliterated means completely destroyed. Obliterated is completely destroyed. अच्छा, obviate होता है to prevent the necessity of something. किसी चीज की necessity को prevent करना. जैसे the new drug has obviated the need of surgery for this disease. अब ड्रग खाने से डिजीज दूर हो जाती है तो आपको सर्जरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो न्यू ड्रग इज ऑब्विएटेड द नीड फॉर सर्जरी इन दिस डिजीज. तो आंसर क्या बना? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. इट इज होप दैट द न्यू रूलिंग पार्टी वुड डैश अ चेंज इन द कंट्रीज फॉरेन पॉलिसी. वुड इफेक्ट EFFECT, which is B. Effect a change. Effect का मतलब है result in a change. Effect is result. Affect का मतलब है to influence, to impact someone or something. This incident affected him a lot. So it had an impact on him. It influenced him. Or what are the effects of global warming? What are the effects of financial crunch? So effect is like a result. समझ आया दोनों का मतलब? Affect is impact on someone. Effect is किसी चीज के result या consequences. So यहाँ पे effect a change, result in a change. Are you getting? So answer is B. Junk foods have absolutely no nutritional value. Nutritional. Some food is nutritious, but value can be nutritional. There was a gross dash between the wages of men and women laborers. Disparity. Disparity means inequality. Disparity means inequality or dissimilarity. Discrepancy is deviation from what is expected. Deviation from what is expected is discrepancy. Next one. The doctor dash at length on the ill effects of smoking. क्या आएगा? The doctor expatiated. Expatiated का मतलब है to speak at length, explain at length, elaborate. That is expatiate. And expiate. Expiate का मतलब है to compensate or recompense. मतलब देखिए किसी ने कोई लग रहा किसी ने कोई गलत काम किया या किसी के साथ बुरा किया तो उसको फील हुआ. Then he expiates. Then he expiates his wrongdoing by doing something good for that person. तो उसको मतलब क्या कहेंगे, कॉम्पनसेट कर रहा है अपने खराब एक्शन को अच्छे एक्शन से कॉम्पनसेट करना. दैट इज टू एक्सपीरियंस. इसको कहते हैं मेक अमेंड्स. इसका एक और वर्ड है मेक अमेंड्स. अमेंड्स का मतलब होता है सुधारना, अपनी गलतियों सुधारना. एक्सपिएट इज कॉम्पनसेट इन ऑर्डर टू मतलब to remedy your this error or mistake. That is expiate. So answer क्या बना? So पहला हुआ effect. Second is जो B. So BBA and A. BBAA. That is C. Next one. This is one of the most dash terrorist attacks that has ever been witnessed. So answer is vicious.
So vicious comes from vice. Vice क्या होता है? Vice का मतलब है something bad, something, like opposite of virtue. Like something evil, bad is vice. So vicious is very evil. And viscous is for a liquid which flows like a thick liquid which doesn't flow easily. That is called viscous. Due to recent fluctuations in the stock market, this is not the dash time to invest in shares. No. Agar fluctuations in stock market hai, so practically speaking, this is propitious. Propitious means promising. Practically promising or practically giving you benefits. That is propitious. Auspicious होता superstitious. Auspicious होता God या stars के related. तो यहाँ पे auspicious या spirituality की या ये religion की बात नहीं हो रही है, superstition की बात नहीं हो रही है. बात किसकी हो रही है? Fluctuations in stock market which is practicality. तो practicality के हिसाब से आप कहोगे propitious. अगर ऐसा कुछ अंधविश्वास या एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से आप कहोगे auspicious. It was a truly dash achievement for the team. Creditable is praiseworthy. To give credit to someone is to praiseworthy. And credible होता है जैसे बताया था plausible, likely. तो यहाँ पे creditable. The deadly criminal who remained elusive, means escaping for a long time, was finally nabbed by the police in a covert. Usually police conduct covert. Covert means covered, secretive operation. Overt होता है open. तो आंसर क्या बना? आंसर है, चलिए लेट्स मूव. अब देखो आंसर बराबर देखो क्या क्या बना. सी बन रहा है. तो पहला विशियस, दूसरा ए, पहला ए, दूसरा बी, ए बी, तीसरा ए और चौथा ए बी ए, सी बन रहा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. द चीफ मिनिस्टर वॉज डैश ऑफ द सिचुएशन. Apprised means informed. Apprise means informed. Appraise होता है measure और calculate. Appraisal. जैसे employees get appraisal. Companies appraise the performance of the employees. They measure the performance of the employees and then give them incentives or salary hikes. So appraise means measure or calculate. Apprise means to inform or notify. She endeared herself to everyone with her winsome ways, and childlike is positive. Childlike means innocence and truthfulness of a child is childlike. And childish is negative. Childish means immature, foolish. तो हमें पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव मीनिंग देखना है, उस हिसाब से हमारा क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Childlike innocence. Childish would be immature or foolish. Next one. The dash of the much despised presidential rule was greeted with a lot of enthusiasm. So abrogation means cancel, get rid of. And abnegation is self-denial. Abnegation is denial or self. अपने आप को deny करना कुछ चीज़ है, that is abnegation. The symptoms of the disease may be dash by certain foods. May be exacerbated. Exacerbated का मतलब है worsened. और exasperated होता है to be angry. To lose your cool or to show anger and irritation about something. That is exasperation. तो आंसर क्या बना? बताओ. So A, चलिए. Next one. The atmosphere at the hostel was extremely atmosphere के लिए congenial. दोनों friendly है. Genial भी friendly, but we say a genial person, a genial behavior. But for atmosphere we'll say congenial. Congenial atmosphere means very favorable, very friendly. Acha, the audience watched spellbound as a magician performed one brilliant dash after another. Illusion. Magician can perform an illusion. And illusion is a passing reference, a passing remark in one's speech or writing. That is called illusion. Jैसे in his speech, the great speaker alluded to a verse from Bhagavad Gita. Alluded means gave a passing remark. Or he alluded to Gandhi's these achievements. Next one. The opposition leaders dash against the steep rise in petrol. So what's your answer? A. Inveig. Inveig होता है severely criticize. To inveig someone or something
is severely criticized. Or inveigle. Inveig is criticize, or inveigle is uh, to persuade someone into doing something, या to coax, जिसको कहते हैं by smooth talk. अपने जैसे चिकनी चुपड़ी बातों में किसी को फंसाना, या फ्लैटर करके किसी को अपनी बातों के थ्रू बातों में, कहते हैं ना, जैसे जैसे टेलीमार्केटर्स है, मार्केटिंग पीपल है, प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए कस्टमर को अच्छी अच्छी बातें करके उनको परसुएड करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड टू इनवीगल. उसको कोक्स भी कहते हैं, कोक्स, कोक्स, इनवीगल, स्मूथ टॉक. आर यू गेटिंग? तो किसी को अपने अच्छी अच्छी बातों में परसुएड करना किसी चीज के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन, Nixon was dash person who loathed means hated aggression, was a peaceable person who loved peace and hated war. And peaceful होता है कि जो खुद लड़े ना, a peaceful place, a peaceful person would be who does not engage in any kind of fighting. और जो opinion की बात करे तो peaceable, और action की बात करे तो peaceful. देखिए, peaceful क्या peaceable? Peaceable person would be someone who has opinion about peace as liking or loving peace, and who hates any kind of fighting or war is a peaceable person. Peaceful would be कि opinion नहीं है, peaceful का मतलब है action, place without any violence or war. You get the point? So यहाँ पे आएगा peaceable. Now what is the answer? So you can write that down. ठीक है, now we come to spellings. तो यहां पे थोड़ा मेरे को लग रहा है मिसप्रिंट होंगे. तो पहले का क्या आएगा? टी. सेकंड का क्या आएगा? ए, करेक्ट. थर्ड का क्या आएगा? बी, एट्रोसिटी. नेक्स्ट का क्या आएगा? सेपरेशन. डी, डेल्टा, सेपरेशन. नेक्स्ट का क्या आएगा? फिलोसफी. नेक्स्ट साइकेट्रिस्ट इज ए. नेक्स्ट बी, प्रोक्योर, करेक्ट. कैप्चर, CAPTURE, डी, डेल्टा. पैटर्न, PATTERN, correct. 20th, propel, PROPEL. Propel means to push, drive. That is D delta. इधर आएगा corrupt is correct. Accumulate is ACCUMULAT. Capillary is LLARY. Capillary is a thin tube. And agitation, AGITATION. Next one. Inflammation is double M. Double M. Inflammation is double M. Infiltration. Infiltration. Idiosyncrasy is SY. Last में SY. It's imminent, IMMINENT. Imminent का मतलब है which is sure to happen. Next one, claustrophobia is correctly spelled. Pneumonia में P लगाओ तो बाकी सब ठीक है. Proportion is PROPOR, proportion. Torrential is TORREN. Next one, contempt is correct. Crescent is CRESCENT. Crescent is छोटा सा वो चांद. Choreograph is CHOREO. Choreograph is to direct something. Carnivorous, VOROUS. Next one, B, chagrin. Chagrin is a feeling of disappointment, anger, or anger, irritation over something as defeat or being unsuccessful at. तो कोई defeat हुआ, failure हुआ, उससे जो irritation या anger आता है उसको chagrin कहते हैं. Electorate is ELECTORATE. Electorate is people who are entitled to vote. उसको कहते हैं electorate. Judgment is JUDGE. Obscene is OBSCENE. Malign is MALIGN. Immigrate is EMIGRATE. Splice is correct. Splice means to join. Join two parts, two ends. Triumph is TRIUMPH. Triumph means victory. Next one. Knowledge is LEDGE. Kindergarten is GARTEN. Kinematics is correctly spelled, which deals with the motion of objects, motion. Knuckle is KNUCKLE, knuckle. Next one. Conference is CE. Decipher is correct. DECIPHER. Decipher is correct. Is to decode or understand something difficult. Cautious, CAUTIOUS. Breed में E नहीं है. Next one.
E. Yes.
The answer is C. Gesticulate is no. Thwarted. Sorry, gesticulate is G. G से gesticulate. Gesticulate होता है ऐसे हाथ से इशारा करना, दूर से, to wave,
by hand gesture. That is called gesticulate. That is GES. Thwarted हो क्या? To prevent, stop, या किसी चीज को रोकना. That is thwart. Reciprocate is RECI. Reciprocate is to acknowledge. Conductor is CONDUCTOR. Next one. Decree is correct. Decree होता है formal legal order or command. Defense is FENCE. Millennium मैंने अभी बताया. Occasion is OCCA. SSION. OCCASON. तो इस तरह से आपने spellings लिखेंगे, ठीक है? All right, that was our homophones and homonyms. Antonym, synonym हो गया, homophones, homonyms हो गया. Next we'll move to grammar. अब हमें करने हैं articles, pronouns, prepositions. तो अब आगे हमारा grammar चलेगी, ठीक है? बाकी अपनी जगह करते रहिए.